Morning students, now we are going to learn example number 5 of exercise 6.4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 in bracket AC plus BD. See here, quadrilateral ABCD, right? What we have to find out less than 2 AC plus BD means it's two diagonals. See, due to the diagonals, we get four different triangle over here, right? And we know the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, right? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than its third side. If we look the given figure, we get one triangle OAB. Next one is OBC. Third OCD. And last fourth OD. OAD. Right? Are the four different triangles we get. Now look at one after one. Suppose very first OAB. OA plus OB. OA plus OB is greater than what? AB. Right? Same way for the next one, OB plus OC is greater than what? CB. Yeah, BC. Right? Third, OC, OD. OC plus OD is greater than what? CD. And last one is OD and OA is greater than DA. Understood? So we got it how many? Four different results. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the above, result, we can say OA plus OB, right? OB plus OC, OC plus OD plus OD plus OA is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now OA. So we can say therefore 2OA, OB, 2OB, OC plus 2OC plus 2OD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? So now see what is common from it? 2. Therefore 2 in bracket OA plus OB plus OC plus OD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? Now therefore see here OA, right, and OC just maybe arrange to OA plus OC as it is plus OB plus OD, OA OC, right, means what? AC. Therefore OA plus OC means what we can say? AC, right, as it is OB plus OD, OB plus OD is equal to what? BD, yeah, DB. Here what is given? BD, so BD, right? Greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? Therefore, we can say AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 AC plus BD. So all of you understood how to do it? Sure? Good. Now let's see the example number 6. Look in your textbook on page number 127. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? The measurement of two different sides are given over here. One measurement is what? 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. The third is not given. So suppose third side is equal to x centimeter, maybe, right? So we can say therefore 12 plus 15 greater than x, right? As per the sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than its third side. Therefore 12 plus 15, 27 greater than x, right? So we can say x should be less than 27 centimeter, right? So third side is what? Less than 27 centimeter. So x should be less than 27 centimeter, right? Now also we can say x plus 12. Suppose we take another one side with x plus 12 is greater than what? 15. Therefore x greater than 15 minus 12. Therefore x greater than 15 minus 12, 3. So we can say x should be greater than 3 centimeter, right? So from it we can say the length of the third side, the length of the third side of the triangle should be between 3 centimeter and what? 27 centimeter. Understood? Sure? Good. Now let's see the new topic, right angle triangle and Pythagoras properties. See here, in a right angle triangle, the sides have some special names. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, which is the opposite side in segment AC. Is the opposite side is known as what? Hypotenuse. The other two sides like AB and BC known as what? Legs of the right angled triangle. Understood? Good. Now Pythagoras property. In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares on the legs. Means what? A square is equal to B square plus C square. Right? As it is, if the Pythagoras property holds, the triangle must be right angled. So from it we can say when we apply the Pythagoras property, the triangle must be right angle. Right? On the basis of it, we are going to learn exercise 6.5. Look at the theorem very first, the Pythagoras theorem, the Pythagoras property. In the right angled triangle ABC, AC square means what? Hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Got it? So by using it, we'll solve the exercise 6.5. See the first example. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. Look at the figure. Which triangle is given? PQR. And which is the right angle over here? P. Right? So PQR. Right? P is the right angle over here. Now PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. Right? PR is equal to 24 centimeter. And what we have to find out? QR is equal to question mark. Right? So now as per the Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PQR, angle P is a right angle, right? And which is the hypotenuse? Line segment QR is a hypotenuse, right? Therefore, QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Now, as per the Pythagoras property, QR square is equal to now PQ, so 10 square plus PR 24 square. Now 10 square, so 10 tens are 100, right? Plus now 24 24s are 576. If you don't know, then just do the multiply bit itself, right? So we get it. Now 100 plus 576, 0 plus 6 6, 0 plus 7 7, 1 plus 5 6. So what? 676. Therefore QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Understood? Sure? Good. Now let's see the second example. ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter, find BC is your homework. Now I will just show you the figure as per the given instruction, then after do it yourself. Say which triangle is given over here? ABC, which is the right angle C, right? So A, B, C, right? Now what are the measurement? AB is equal to 25. So what is given over here? Hypotenuse. As it is, AC is equal to 7 centimeter. And what we have to find out? BC. Right? Is equal to maybe X. Okay, we'll explain you, because here we have to find out measurement of one legs, right? So in triangle ABC, angle C is a right angle, right? And what is hypotenuse over here? Line segment AB is a hypotenuse. Therefore AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore, AB is equal to what measurement is given? AB is equal to 25 square is equal to 7 square plus BC is equal to X square, right? Therefore, X square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square. So 25 square, so 625, 7 sevens are 49. Now 625 minus 49, 15 minus 9, 6, 11 minus 4, 7, 5, right? So 576. X square is equal to 576. Therefore, X is equal to what? 24. Got it? So we can say therefore BC is equal to 24 centimeter. Is it clear? Good. Now let's see the third example. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground. On placing it against the wall at a distance A, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. See here, it's a similar example to the second, right? And all the measurements are given. Maybe we have to find out what base, right? So it's similar to the second. So third is your homework. Okay. Now fourth, which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? Now see the first one, 2.5, 6.5 and 6 centimeter. Are the three different measurements are given over here, right? So maybe 2.5, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter are the three different measurements, right? Maybe 2.5 centimeter square plus 6 square is equal to 6.5 square, because which is the highest over here? 6.5 centimeters. So we can say maybe it is a what? Hypotenuse, right? So now 2.5 square, so what comes? 625, so 6.25, right? Plus 6 6 are 36 is equal to now 6.5 squares, 5 5 are 25, 6 7 are 42, so 42.25, right? Now also 6.5 square is equal to 42.25. So we can say it is holds the what? Pythagoras property. So it holds Pythagoras property. Now see the second one, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So which is the longest side? 5 centimeter, right? So 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 5 square, right? Therefore 2 square, 2 2s are 4 plus 4 is not equal to 25. So we can say it does not holds Pythagoras property. Understood? Now third, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So which is the highest? 2.5, right? So we can say 1.5 centimeter square plus 2 centimeter 2 square is equal to 2.5 square. Now therefore 15 15s are 225. So what comes? 2.25. 2 2s are 4 and 2.5 square. So 25 25 is a 625. So what comes? 6.25, right? Now 2.25 plus 4. So what comes? 6.25. 5 is equal to 6.25. So therefore we can say it holds what? Pythagoras property. Therefore it holds Pythagoras property. Got it? So all of you understood? Sure? Good. Number 6. Fifth. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. See, from the figure we come to know well about it. Example number 5. There is a one tree, right? We don't know the height of it. We have to find out it. A tree is broken at height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touch the ground at a distance of 12 centimeters. So we can say what it is, 12 centimeters. So what we have to find out here, hypotenuse, right? As well as height of the trees. So maybe it's a fallen down like this way here, right? Maybe the given triangle is ABC. The tree is broken down from the here at what, 5 centimeter, right? And then of the CA is what we can say broken part. Line segment CB, right, is the what is equal to 5 centimeter from where tree is already broken down and the remaining part is already fallen down from C to A, right? So CA is the broken part of the tree. We can say line segment CA is the broken part of the tree, right? And it touched the ground how many? 12 centimeter. At A, how many centimeter? 12 meter, not centimeter but meter, right? It touches the ground at A, which is 12 meter from the base B, right, of the tree. So in triangle CAB, CAB is a right angle triangle where AC is a what? Hypotenuse, as well as angle B is a right angle, right? So as per the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? Therefore AC square is equal to AB square, so 12 square, BC so 5 square. So 12 12s are 144, 5 5s are 25, right? So 144 plus 2 5, 25, 4 plus 5 9, 6, 160. AC square is equal to 169. Therefore AC is equal to 13. meter, right? So what we got it for the AC? 13 meter. Now what we have to find out? Find the original height of the tree. Therefore, original height of the tree is equal to, see, BC plus AC, right? BC how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Sorry, 5 meter, right? Not centimeter, but what? Meter. As well as AC is equal to how many? 13 meter, right? So 5 plus 13, 18 meters. So therefore the original height of the tree is equal to 18 meters. So all of you understood? Sure? Good. Now let's see the example number 6. Angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. See the first one, PQ square. PQ square plus QR square is equal to RP square. See, as per the sum of triangle, triangle PQR is equal to angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is not given, right? So angle P plus 25 plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle P plus 25 plus 65, 90 degree, right, is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So we can say angle P is a what? Right angle over here. Angle P is a what? Right angle, right? So we can say therefore in triangle PQR, angle P is a right angle. Therefore we can say, see the first one, PQ square plus QR square is equal to RP square is not. See the second, PQ square plus RP square is equal to QR square. So which is the opposite, right? So we can say it is correct. Now third, RP square plus QR square, RP square plus QR square, so it is also not true, right? Is equal to PQ square, it is also not true. So only the second is what? True as per the Pythagoras theorem. Now 7, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Example number 7. Find the perimeter of rectangle. Maybe the given rectangle ABCD. In it, what is given? Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeters. So maybe AB is equal to how many? 40 centimeters. And its diagonal is what? 41 centimeters. Right? So we get two different triangles, ABD, and another one is BCD. Right? In quadrilateral, rectangle ABCD, is a what? Rectangle, right? Which is the diagonals? DB is a diagonal, and triangle ABD is a right angled triangle. Angle A is a right angle. Right angle is a right angle. And what is the hypotenuse over here? DB, yeah, diagonal, right? DB is a hypotenuse. So therefore, from it we can say DB square is equal to AD square plus AB square, right? Therefore, DB is equal to what? 41 square is equal to AD square plus 40 square. Therefore, AD square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square. Now 41 square, so 1681 minus 4 4 is 16, so 1600. So what we get? 81. Therefore, AD is equal to 9 centimeter. AD is equal to what? 9 centimeter. So here what we get? 9 centimeter. Here what we get? 40 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Find the perimeter. Now perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2